In this project, we'll explore how to use a large language model like ChatGPT to generate recipes from YouTube cooking videos. We'll first start with extracting the transcript out of a YouTube video. Now you want to go to YouTube and pick out a recipe channel that you like. Pick one of the recipe videos that you're interested in. I'll just go with this one. Then you want to scroll down to the description, open it, and then click on Show Transcript. Then you see a transcript box open up here. To get rid of the timestamps, you can just click on these three dots over here and click Toggle Timestamps. Now I'll just copy this entire transcript by hitting Control-C on my keyboard or Command-C if you're on a MacBook. Then you can go to a text editor like Google Docs or Notepad and then paste your transcript. Then you want to navigate to a website like ChatGPT or Gemini. Then you want to generate a simple prompt to generate the recipe. I'll start simple. I'll start with generate a recipe from this video transcript and then paste in the transcript, enter. Then we'll see the recipe generated from the video. It even includes some storage tips and extra notes. Now to test the accuracy of the generated recipe, you can go back to the video, and the easiest way is if the creator has a written recipe already. That way you can compare the recipe one-to-one and check if there are any differences. You can also just watch the recipe video yourself and then write the recipe. Repeat this for more recipes if you'd like. You can also experiment with changing the prompt. For example, you could say, generate a recipe using this video transcript and be sure to include vegan substitutes, and give it the same transcript. Now we'll get a new recipe that has vegan substitutes. Take your time experimenting with the prompts and make note of how the prompt changes the output. And remember that you can find more variations to do with this project on our project page. And with that, we are done with this project. You can find this page with the written instructions for this project linked in the description below. And for 1,000 other projects for all areas in science and engineering, visit our website www.sciencebuddies.org.